Hello friends, welcome to It's Creative World. Today I will review a Powerbank module which I have ordered from AliExpress. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. You can order the Powerbank module from AliExpress, the link in the description. You can also buy thousands of products from AliExpress. You can order many products from AliExpress like me. For order this kind of products, please follow the video. At the end of the video, I will show you the payment method of AliExpress. First, you need to select your product. You can also order many versions of a product. Here is the payment method, so watch it very attentively. So it was our today's video. Please subscribe for more.